Okay, so I just got the bag, just opened her. She's beautiful, but I did want to point out a few things that you did not tell me. And you know, I just like see here the handle is, the leather is half torn and coming off on this side and on this side. And we never mentioned that. And there's a couple of marks here on the front. They're kind of hard to see, but I'll send you photos as well. There's one right there, there's another long one there, and there's a third one over there. And then also inside, we've got some marks there, like some indentations there and there, that you didn't show me. And where is it? There's another thing on one of these sides. Yeah, it's coming off right here on the inside. You know, I know we didn't discuss any of this, and it's definitely got some wear on it, more than just a couple of times, as you had mentioned. So I don't know, let's talk about it, I guess. And even the corners, like, there is wear there and there. Sorry, I don't mean to be difficult, but, you know, none of these things were mentioned. And this is really, I mean, it's going to tear off at some point, you know? The whole handle's going to break off at some point, unless this either gets repaired or something, because that's some pretty significant wear. That's not just from a couple of times, you know? Anyway, yeah, I just got it, and I wanted to show it to you, so let me know what you think, okay? Yeah, okay. Thanks, bye.